Oxygen-arc cutting is an oxygen cutting process in which metal is severed by means of the chemical reaction of oxygen with the base metal at elevated temperatures. The heat of the arc brings the metal to its kindling temperature, and then a high-velocity jet of pure oxygen is directed through a tubular cutting electrode at the heated spot. The metal oxidizes and is blown away. The tip of the electrode, which is exposed to both heat and oxidation, is consumed in the process and needs to be replaced by the diver at regular intervals. Oxy-arc cutting is typically used to cut steelwork in the underwater environment, some examples of which are structure removal, removal of redundant steelwork from a worksite to provide access for installation activities, removal of damaged tubulars and caissons, cutting of seized bolts subject to removal or replacement, and major abandonment operations. Divers who perform underwater cutting and welding should have greater skill and stamina than those doing the same work topside. Success and speed of operations depend upon the conditions under which the diver must work, because the underwater environment imposes numerous limitations and restrictions on the operator and equipment. The diver is often restricted to working for only a short time on the bottom, particularly at deeper depths. The use of correct techniques and equipment becomes extremely important in terms of work accomplished per hour. Diving apparel, great depth, adverse currents, low temperature, lack of visibility and unstable footing are all factors which make underwater cutting and welding difficult. Oxygen